What's up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I'm gonna show you how to blur a face using DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so let's just find a sample video clip that we can use. Say for example this one. I'm just gonna cut this video into 10 seconds because we don't really need a long video for this tutorial. I just need you to get the idea. So 10 seconds, I think that's enough. 10 seconds, okay. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm just pressing backspace. Yeah, we don't really need the audio for this video, so by pressing inspector, go to audio. Actually, go to, click this button here, link selection, uncheck that one, and then click the audio, just the audio, and press backspace on your keyboard. Okay. So now, how to apply or how to blur the face. So you can follow these steps. Um, it depends on you how you use the blur effect. In some case, you use blur effect to protect someone in an interview or to cover an information, right? So to do that, we need to duplicate this clip. So Control C, Control V, then put the second copy of the video on the top. Next is go to color, color tab, and then here you need to add note. Add note, right click. You can click the corrector and then drag it over to the line. You may also label the node. This is just an option or optional. So I'm just gonna name it as blur. And then click this button here, window, and then pick a a shape. So face is a circular shape, so I'm gonna pick circle, and then just adjust the circle. Alright, so you can also change it into oval shape by dragging it over, and then you can apply, or before, actually you can wait, effects, yeah, click on effects and then add the mosaic blur. This is what we use. Drag it over to the node that we created, and then you can adjust the pixel frequency. Okay, and then as you can see, it starts to change, or it starts to blur the face. Now this video, this is me on the video, but I was keep on moving on the video, so we need the blur to follow the face. To do that, we need to click this button here, the tracker, and then just press this track forward or play, and then it's gonna track the face. We'll have to wait for it. As you can see, it's now tracking the face in the span of 10 seconds. And then that's it. Once it is done, we can now export this into a file. So just go to deliver, and usually I just click YouTube here, and then we can name this file as blur, and then add render queue, then render all, and then wait. Alright, that's how you apply blur on your face. If you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go.